What is up, everybody? We're back with another video here on the Kawasaki. This is going to be part 2 for the clutch. Gee, Zooey. Be part 2 for the chain or the sprocket upgrade on the 500. Quick overview before we get into it here. We're going to be doing a 0 to 60 and a top speed go. Finally, we got some good weather. It's been nasty all week. This is going to be part 2 once again to the review slash everything for it. This is going to be the top speed and 0 to 60. Quick overview once again to anybody who is new and is not following on the channel. Modifications that are done to the bike: we have a full system exhaust, no cat, a chain and sprocket. Obviously we went down 2 teeth in the rear sprocket, and we have velocity stacks installed and an ECU flash. Bike is roughly making around 55-58 wheel horsepower, and yeah. Man, I'm pretty impressed with that. I think, yeah, we're still going. Thank God we got that. That got a little sketchy there, guys. I'm not gonna lie. We were cutting it out there pretty freaking good. I'm gonna hopefully see if I can't get back on the highway, because, like, I'm kind of getting a little tired of sitting around people. Yeah, but that got a little wild there. I mean, I'm honestly surprised we hit, when I looked at least, I think it was 131. I don't know how much we had left in the range. I think we had maybe like 2 to 500 RPM left. So, I mean, give or take, I honestly think this thing probably, with a little bit more modification, honestly, this thing probably could do 135, almost 140. Oh, man. My tires are gonna be wet. God dang it! No! I mean, 140's pushing it, but ooh, we gotta hit this. Oh yeah! Love taking a turn at double the speed limit. Yeah, I mean 140 is probably pushing it, but I mean shoot, I mean if I put like, if I tune this on like race fuel, did an intake filter, which I don't have. I mean, I don't feel like, I didn't get a filter for this because I didn't feel like a filter would do much. Oh, I gotta go this way. Not from around these parts. Alright, so where are we looking? 83 south. Yup. Just go this way. I don't know where I'm going, man. This is perfect. This is actually perfect. Fuck yeah. Nice. Alright. Get a little hazards going. Alright, ready? 0 to 60. Alright, that's that. There's that 0 to 60. Got a little wheelie up there too. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you have any questions on the bike, feel free to drop them down in the comments. And if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers. We are this close. Haven't figured out what we're gonna do yet for 1,000 subscribers, but definitely stay tuned to it. Make sure to also go over and check out the Instagram. Any giveaways, any things like that I will be doing, or to get a hold of me better than on YouTube, go check out the Instagram. That will be up here. Without further ado, guys, once again, if you enjoyed the content, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Love you all.